Right now we are on our mobile phone and this is the app MetaTrader 5, but I'm going to uninstall it, then I will install it so that we start afresh. So let's go to Play Store and then try downloading this app again and start afresh. It is MT5. MT5. So now I'm going to download it again. Okay, I'm going to download it again and then we start afresh from like trying to install it, and I try to arrange everything and then see how to use it. Okay, welcome, then accept. Open a demo account. Once you first open MT5, they'll ask you to open a demo account. You can click it, then open a demo account. Now if you want to open your first demo account, the broker that you'll be using with MT5 is MetaQuote Limited. That is MT5 broker. It is not regular brokers like SNS, 10 Trade and stuff like that. So you can use this to open account if you want to, like, but I'll still prefer you open account with a real broker. You can open account with like 10 Trade, with other brokers you get. There will be a link to brokers, like the brokers that we use below of this video. Let's open an account with MetaQuote broker for us to like know how to use MT5 to analyze trades and then use it to take trade. Then for this one, let's say the twins trader, date of birth, how to change it, date of birth. Now let's say January, what's this? Okay, and now let's go to mobile number and then I have to input my mobile number plus 234 522 70874. Email the twins trader at gmail.com. The amount that I want to like first open, let's say this one is $10,000. Let's go with that $10,000. Now I have to register, get start. Now I have my account here, you can see. So this is a demo account. The broker is MetaQuote. It's not with real brokers you get. So from this for this now, we can, if you like, once like you log into that MetaQuote broker, the first thing you see, if you come here, quotes, what this quotes mean is you add or remove currency pairs that you want to trade. You get, for this one, this is AUD card. Which pairs do you want to trade? If you want to add any pair like that you love to trade, just click on enter symbol for search. Once you click on it, then type that pair. For us, we mostly trade gold, so I'll just type gold. Click on this and then I'll have gold here. This is gold charts. Then if you tap here above here, M1, if you tap it, you see the time frame that you change your time frame to any time frame you want. So for us, we use 1 hour, we use 15 minutes, and then we use 5 minutes. That's the basic time frame that we use to analyze and use to like take trades. Then once I know that, okay, I need gold, then other currency pairs, I can then delete them. If you just swipe it here, click here, the bin icon, then you'll be deleting them. It's very simple. The what you come to quotes. Quotes is where you see your currency pairs, then you can delete or add. Click on the bin. Once you swipe it to the side like this, you click on the bin icon, then you'll be deleting them. And then we have only gold here because we trade only gold. If you trade other currency pairs, just type it and then maybe AUD USD. No, AUD AUDU, click it, cancel, you see the pair here. Come here, this is the pair you get. But basically we trade only gold, so I'm just going to come here and delete this AUD. Now that is for quotes. The next thing you see it is chart. If you want to analyze your chart, you can't analyze with um portrait. You are going to use landscape. So analysis is what really matters now. How to analyze with MT5, that is the topic you get. So if you want to analyze, if you take it to landscape like this side you see the time frame that we have here from 1 minute to 1 month you get. So basically let's stay on the 1 hour time frame, and then the first thing you want to analyze your peer, right? You want to know what is the market structure for this good. It's an uptrend, and then let's say you use trend line. Any strategy you use at all, the basic tools that you need is trend line. If you want to click on the tool, you see it here, see all these things beside here. Click on this thing that looks like triangle and stuff like that, then you see all the tools that you basically need. You see it here, this is trend line. You click on it, you click on the trend line, and then you drag it. That is how to, you can edit this trend line to any color you want. If you click on it, you click on properties. Once you click on properties, you can change the color to any color that you want. So let's say I want to change it to I don't know, let's say blue, right? Then I click on done. You see the color has changed to blue. Just click on it, click on properties, then you can do any settings you want with that tool that you just input. Then you come on to that tool again. If there is any other tool that you want to, that you need, and then you can't find it up here, you click on add object. Once you click on add object, scroll below, you see this is triangle. Triangle is for you to spot your, let's say, your zones, other blocks, support and resistance. You get your key levels, something like this. You want price to tap in, then you buy. Then for this, you can click on it again, click on properties, then you edit it. You edit it to any color that you want. You get same process. Click on done, and then here you have it. And you have other stuff like here above here, you see it. You can change this bar chart to oh sorry, this the first one is candlesticks. Then the first one you see up here is bar, the second one you see is candlesticks, and then the third one is line charts you grab. Then we have this third one is for you to measurement measurement of pips, for you to measure pips. So basically, how to calculate the value of gold, you click on that bar chart. We still prefer that candlestick. So click on this icon here. This is what you use to measure your pips. Once you tap on it, if you take it above, you'll be seeing the point. This point now, it means 847. This is 8,470 points, then it means 847 pips to grab. Take it below, this is 9,172 points, it means 917 pips for gold you get. So if you click on this F, it is indicator. You can click on it, any indicator you want, a Bollinger Bands, moving averages, Ichimoku Ikinkoyo, MACD, and every other thing. Then what next? This is for tool, the one we just explained. These are the basic tools that they think that you will need. But if you do not find the tool that you basically need, just click on add object. Once you click on add object, you see it here, Fibonacci retracement. You can click on fib. This is fib, you grab. You can just measure your Fibonacci, measure it, your 50% and stuff like that. That is how to analyze using MT5. It is very simple. Once you are done with your analysis and then you want to take trade, this button here is what you use to buy or sell. So before I want to buy, I want to first calculate my lot size, because I can't just buy like that. Before we go on to that, let's check this last icon here. This one is basically for settings. If you want to set up your MT5, do you want your trade positions to open, your trade orders, do you want them to open, your stop loss, This is for settings. Using all those things is what you'll be learning gradually. You can't learn it in a day. So basically, using it consistently is what's going to help you. If already you know what all this icon is for, this one is for settings. Click on it and start using it. Time goes on, you understand everything. If you click on this one is for taking trades, right? Before you want to take trade, you want to first calculate your lot size. You get. So if you want to take trade, you are going to change it from landscape to, what is it called? You are going to change it from landscape to portrait again before you use it to like take trade. So once you change it to portrait like this, the first thing you want to click before you even take a trade, because you want to calculate your risk, is this icon you see up here. Once you click on the icon, then you click below here. Once you click below, entering directly means instant execution. That is market execution. Then you want to put your stop loss. First thing, you want to know where do you want to put your stop loss. Let's say I want my stop loss, I want to buy gold, and then my stop loss is going to be 4866.72, right? That's where I want my stop loss to be. Then I add stop loss, then I put my stop loss 448. Okay, it is add stop loss, it is 4866.74. That is my stop loss, and then I'm entering gold directly. Now I have a $10,000 account. How much do you think I need to risk? I'll be risking $100. That is 1% of my $10,000 account. Now I have to come here and then change the lot size to 0.02 to match that $100. Then you can see it here, it is 98.60, 98.99. It is floating because price is also moving. So with that, I can just go on straight and then I buy. Okay. Now I just opened a trade on gold using risking $100. Then if you come here, you see this trade, it is already running, it's still in entry. That is it. So you understand. I hope you are getting this. So the first one is quote, the next one is chart, this one is trade. If you open a trade, this is where you are going to see how the trade is moving. Then if you come here, this is my history. If I close this trade right now, let's say I want to close this trade. If I close this trade right now, let's say I want to close this trade, right? I don't want to close every trade, so I'll just close half of it. That's what I want to do. I want to close half of it so that you can see it in the what is it called, in the history. I'll change the lot size to 0.01 and then I'll close. That means I've closed one position and then I have one position here. Then come to history, you see the position that I just closed. This is half position. I've closed half position and then we have half position left. So with this, go on to history. This is the history of the trades I took. Then come to settings. Settings is basically if you want to enter a new account, you can just tap on new account. Let's say you get a prop firm, let's say you buy you open a live account, you can just log it in here directly. Then that is basically everything on MT5. It's not too complicated, you get. So basically, how to understand how to use these apps very well is constant practicing. You can't understand it a single day, you get. But once you keep on practicing daily, using it daily, once you don't understand, you do research on that one particularly, then you continue using it. Over the time, you are going to understand everything about it. But basically, this is MT5 broker. If you want to use any broker, the one we use is, they are like 10 trade. The link is in the description of this video. If you click on that video and then if you click on the link, you'll be taken to where you open an account. You can open a demo, you can open a live, and once you do, it is the process of logging that account in is very simple. Just come on here to this settings. Once you click on settings, click on new account. If you click on new account, enter company or server name. Once you click on it, then enter the broker name. Let's say 10 trade. 10 trade. As you can see, this is 10 trade. Then you are going to put the login, put the password. Once you do that, you're just going to sign in, and then you are going to be logged in very easily, and then you use it to take trade the same way this MT meta quotes. You are using that these meta quotes to take trade. You grab everything about this is very simple. It's just constant practicing that makes it perfect. So with this video is not going to be too long. We are going to be ending it here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time here, and also once you subscribe, drop a like. If you do not understand anything that you want us to do a video on, just let us know in the comment section. Share this video to others that are in need of this kind of content, and also use the link below to join our Telegram channel where we drop our signal. And bye for now. Catch up with you in the next one. Trade safe.